Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start manufacturing of concrete. So as we are already completed about the concrete and its ingredients. So I will give you overview about what is concrete before starting manufacturing of concrete. So cement concrete is a basically mixture of cement, sand, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water and admixture. So there are different components which helps to make the cement concrete and give proper strength to withstand weathering agencies and the load which is coming from superstructure and transfer to the subsoil. So different components, cement which is basically a binding agent which generally used to bind all the ingredients of concrete. So in this ingredients, cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water are present. Fine aggregate and coarse aggregate, which is basically give the 80 to 70 to 80% volume to the concrete. So it's play a big role in the making of concrete. So maximum strength, which is given by the presence of aggregate in the cement concrete. Water cement ratio, which play important role in terms of workability and strength of concrete. So basically we are using drinking water for the purpose of concrete mix. The last one is admixture. So admixture we are used to enhance the properties of concrete in a particular situation. For example, there are different uh, when we are going to make a concrete mix, there is a different condition for different places. For for example, if there is a place there the weather is changes from temperature low to high temperature. So at that time, the initial setting time of concrete will be disturbed, or we are going to mass concreting in underwater concreting. So at that time, we have to adjust the initial setting time of concrete and final setting time. So we are using admixture to enhance the properties of concrete in a fresh stage or in a hard stage. So this is all about concrete and its ingredients. So in the next part, so we will discuss about manufacturing of concrete. So there are number of steps are included in the manufacturing of concrete. First is batching, then mixing, transporting, placing, compacting, curing, and finishing. So these are the steps which are included in the manufacturing of concrete. We will discuss it step by step. So first part is batching. So batching is the process of manufacturing concrete. So in this part, we are measuring the different components of concrete, either by mass or by volume. So there are two methods to measuring the ingredients of concrete when we are going for concrete mix. So first is volume batching, second is weigh batching. So when we are talking about manufacturing of concrete, we have to make a uniform mix. Uniform mix means we have to include proper proportion of every ingredient of concrete. So we can get the maximum strength from the concrete. For example, if we are using M20, M25 grade concrete, so there are different ratio of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. So we have to use these ratio accordingly. So how we can use that ratio? We can use by batching, by volume batching or weigh batching. So when we are talking about volume batching, so in this type of method is used when we are going for small concreting, or you can say small projects where cement concrete is required in a small quantity. So at that time, we can use volume batching. For volume batching, we are using gauge boxes. So gauge boxes which are used to measure the fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. So volume of gauge box is equal to one bag of cement. So one bag of cement is equal to 50 kg. So this is about volume batching. So here you can see a picture of gauge box. This is also called furnace. So it is basically made of timber or steel. If it is made of timber, so in that case, the portion of fine aggregate also can struck into the joints of timber in the corner. So it can also reduce the quantity of material which we are going to mix in a concrete ingredients. So in case of steel, it is not happening there like that. So bottomless gauges are generally avoided. So there are some precautions also there when we are going to fill the material in the gauge box. The compaction is not done. So we have to pour the ingredients of concrete in a gauge box without compaction. So if the compaction is takes place there, then the material, the quantity of material will be differ as required ratio. So compaction is not allowed. So next part is weigh batching. Weigh batching means we have to weight the different ingredients of concrete mix. So whatever ratio is there, whatever grade you are using to make a concrete mix, we will weight the specific material and pour in a concrete mix. So if we are using this method, there will be no uncertainty in this method. So there are three categories which we are using for weigh batching. First is manual, second is semi-automatic, third is fully automatic. So here you can see the picture. The manual batching, all the weight and batching of concrete are done manually. It is used for small jobs. So where huge quantity of concrete is not required, it is only for small projects. We are using manual batching. So in this case, all the activities are done in a manual way. Second is semi-automatic. So here you can see in the picture also there are bins are provided three. Semi-automatic batching aggregates bin gates are opened by manually operated switches, but it is closed automatically when the material is already delivered. When the third one is fully automatic. In case of fully automatic, the batching material are electrically activated by a single switch. So it will complete by automatically. There is a no involvement of any manual. So we have to operate it by switches only. It will automatically weighted and open the gates and closed automatically when required ratio is given. So batching plant comprises from 236 compartment bins of several composite over the conveyor belt. The way batches are discharging provided below the bins. So in this case, belt conveyors are used. So as it is operated automatically, the belt conveyors which are used to transport the concrete ingredients from one place to another in a limited quantity as described. So limited quantity means whatever quantity of material are required in the same quantity is used in the concrete mix. This is all about the batching of concrete. We can use it accordingly, weigh batching or volume batching. I hope all of you clear about batching of concrete.